What I like to do it with my typical recipes I make at campsite is sometimes just add a little bit extra. Maybe you have it on hand. For example, this polenta travels really nice. It's in a tube and you can, keep it for quite a while. It's like cornmeal mush. It's Italian. And then maybe infuse it with some ginger and some teriyaki. So I'll show you what we're going to do with that and have some fun with it. I've chopped up all the ingredients I'm going to use today, but again, you can use whatever you want because the main part of the dish is the polenta. I'm also going to make another recipe for you on this video with a grilled polenta, and I use this little contraption that I bought that really sometimes cuts your food up kind of fun. So we'll show you what that's going to do. So just put everything in your oil, and then we're going to put the spices that you like with it. So I let that cook down a little bit, and as you can see, I've added teriyaki to the middle. So I'm going to put the polenta right there and let it soak up some of that teriyaki. And so we've got like an Italian, Asian kind of infused meal here, but I guarantee you're going to love it. If you like your vegetables just a little bit crunchier, you can take it off at any time. The polenta cooks really fast. If you like them a little bit more cooked, just leave it on a little bit longer. And there you have it, polenta, Italian style, with veggies and a little teriyaki. Sometimes you just have to do a workaround at campsite. Use the same dish that you just cooked the other meal in, and take your polenta and just lay it down with some olive oil. And I made this mixture of garlic, Parmesan cheese, and some olive oil, and just lay that on top just to give it a little extra taste. Maybe throw in a little asparagus there so you can give it a little extra final touch at the end. If you really want to make it really, really Italian, throw in a little marinara sauce on the top. Bon appetit.